Yep, another one of those crazy ideas I had. Alright, let's get started. Starting off with some Lap Cheong, which is a sweet Cantonese sausage. I decided to quarter this and then cut into a medium dice. This will be taking place with the guanciale or pancetta that's traditionally used in carbonara. Don't these just look like little rubies? Now with a 12-inch saute pan, I'm going to set over medium heat and get some color and render out the fat of our Lap Cheong. This is going to be an integral part of our sauce later on. Now that that's looking nice, I'm going to turn the pan off and get my Bucatini started. I'm using about half this package, so I'm then going to put into a pan of salted water, which will give us a higher starch concentration later on when we're using it for our sauce. Cook to package instructions or slightly less, and then start to make your sauce, separating 3 egg yolks from the whites, while trying your best not to feel extremely uncomfortable with the feeling of the whites sliding through your fingers.
I can still feel it on my hands. Ugh.
Moving on, we are using Pecorino Romana to retain some sense of humanity as we defile a Roman classic. This is going to be a saltier, bit funkier Parmesan that we're going to use as the main salt agent for seasoning this dish. We're going to then incorporate it into the egg yolks, then using freshly ground cracked black pepper until we have this consistency. I can't stress the importance of using quality ingredients with a dish like this that has such few to begin with. Now that our pasta's done, our pan is cooled down, we're going to now transfer our pasta into our pan and start assembling our dish. Carbonara is a test of patience and heat control, which I like to start off with a ladle of pasta water with our pan on medium-low. Because if you've made this before, I understand why you have commitment issues, and that's why I use a small amount of the sauce to make sure that it doesn't cook immediately. Continue stirring this until it's fully incorporated and you have a nice gloss and the sauce doesn't come together like noted here. Basically season the taste with pecorino and black pepper. Try and dry the tears of your local Italian purists. But in all reality, once they see this, the familiarity of the carbonara but the novelty of the Lap Cheong will help them see that they've been living in a carbo echo chamber for far too long. For garnish, we're going to douse this in some pecorino to validate our efforts at the gym. More crushed black pepper because I'm obsessed. And some Sichuan Peppercorns because shit, we've already gone this far. All jokes aside, I think we all can learn from a recipe like this because traditions can hold us back, and we would never be able to experience something like this without breaking a few rules. Now that's something to behold. Come on, give it a try. Just for me. As always, don't forget to do your damn dishes, because you're never gonna cook if you see a sink full of them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and repost if you can. Thanks guys. See you next time.